can't leave that in someone's book.
Seattle bartender Anthony Fetto has been saving the only bar tip he says he'll never forget.
There's the infamous card.
A customer slipped the political statement under the receipt after writing 0 in the tip line.
He was actually sitting right next to the server station where I was, so it was right there all the time. He was getting the best service.
Anthony read the title, Why I Don't Tip in Seattle, along with what claims to be a free econ lesson. The card says a $15 minimum wage means a higher cost to consumers. It calls the Seattle City Council vultures and explains it's not about your service. Anthony says for starters, his base wage isn't anything close to $15 an hour.
They didn't get me mad or anything. I was just like, wow, this is kind of silly. Like, you know, tipping's a choice.
The card urges people to visit an anonymous Facebook page to comment and vent, and they have. When I put Anthony's photo of the card on Facebook last week, more than 900,000 people read it, and thousands hammered out passionate reactions. Anthony just wishes the customer would have spoken to him.
At least come up and tell me personally, like, make a human contact. Don't be very passive aggressive and just kind of leave this and walk away without saying anything.
Now Anthony's wondering how many more servers in Seattle have been served by the anonymous tipster.
Hopefully it gets enough backlash where people are actually informed on the gesture that they're making to people when they leave these